they upgraded us to a suite in the Aria class type of suite. However, we did not get the Aria experience because it was just a room upgrade. And this is supposed to be a suite, but this is the smallest suite bathroom I have ever seen in my entire life. So literally, this itty bitty bath. Let me show you the footprint. So this is where it starts, and boom, that's the toilet. That is the entire bathroom, along with this itty bitty shower. Yeah. So this is the footprint. Once again, toilet, curve around, boom, end of it. So that's the extent of this quote unquote suite bathroom. The shower itself is very small, and normally I use the complimentary bath rope tie to tie the door open, and I tie it to the outside door. So this is the footprint of the shower, and let me see if I can turn it around. So this is me in the shower, and as you can see, like, it's very difficult for me to maneuver and actually wash. And they have a leg thing down here, but this is the other space I got, and my butt's on the door, so it pushes the door open. So this is the space that I have to wash in the shower. Like, let me move my dress. So this is the space I have. The bar is right here. Thank God it's a handheld, so I can get every nook and cranny. But let me turn around. And that's it. See? That's it. So if you can see through the little crevice right there, I'm in the shower. I fit in the shower, and I'm a plus size woman. Yes, but there's no room for me to bend over and do the nooks and crannies that I need to do. So therefore, me being me, literally I take the beach towel and put it on the bathroom floor, and I tie the door open so I have more space. And like I had to do on Norwegian Sky, I literally put the bathtub on the floor, and I wet my body, and then I got out, got my sponge, my soap, my scrubber, and then I scrubbed myself down. Let me see if I can prop this up. So turn this around some. So I scrubbed myself down after I wet myself. Then I would get in the shower, rinse off. Then I would scrub myself down again. Then I get back in the shower, rinse off, and boom, I'm clean. So these showers definitely are not made for plus size people. And I'm about 5'1", so I'm like right here in the shower. I don't know if anyone taller will fit in there comfortable, like, you know, 6 feet, 6, 7, who knows. But yeah, for this to be a suite bathroom, it's very, 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 very itty bitty. So I just wanted to show you the footprint so you can actually see how small this is. And this is the suite number 29252 in the Aria category. It has a humongous balcony. Don't like the location of the balcony, but it has a location balcony, and it's small. The room is a nice size. It's enough space in the room for my daughter and I, all our luggage, even enough room for a third person. There is not enough room in this bathroom for one person. Literally, this is the size of the bathroom on the Norwegian Breakaway solo category, with their single stall toilet and their shower combined. Boom, that is the bath. This is the size of this. And for it to be a suite category, I truly believe that this bathroom footprint area should just be a pinch bigger. And I know it's a cruise ship, but for it to be a suite, like they say it's a suite. So I don't know. This whole cruise has been a unique experience so far. Very different than what I'm used to, I can tell you that. But just wanted to show you the bathroom real quick.